Hello people of the internet, it is Shane here, and today I'm at Lincoln Central on many different lines. There's too many lines here, so I'm just not going to say what line it's on. There is Fabe's trains and AJR trains.
Hello.
Also, we could be joined by MA trains and Joe Thorpe. And that is a place that I'm getting sick of seeing.
And I'm dying.
Yes.
And this is my face.
And just like in the Grantham video from like 2015, they're getting in the way of my intro.
Aww.
Yeah,
So let's see what else shall turn up.
And now for something completely different. And now for something completely different.
And now Fabe's trains will do a lift test. He's just pressed the button. Let's see it. Here he comes.
I'm doing the Mr. Bean. Please don't heckle my.
And now the lift challenge.
And
Look
now,
how dirty that is.
look
Look
at
at
how
bag.
dirty it is. It loves eating.
If you want, I'll hold it open for you.
It's fat.
Look how dirty that is.
Someone press the button and run out. I dare you. And that was the challenge.
Properly.
Just had really bad diarrhea and spewed it up
People
all
are
over
using the
the
footbridge. That means one thing, people.
The end is nigh! The end is nigh! F***ing run away! The end is nigh!
It's probably on this train.
Here is the 1306
Apparently he's
Northern
still
Railway
at work.
service.
What day does the fat kid from
Scunthorpe.
Digby work? Thursdays, is it?
Fat jokes are funny.
Especially if they're a person who's just learned
Anyway,
to
here's a
drive and think it can
142. It's
go through the traffic.
1420.
Face of us.
22.
22. 22.
142 from Scunthorpe.
142
Yes, I did say 142. Video bomb.
1,
Oh look,
2,
it's a meridian.
3, 4.
This should be a 4, and it is.
4. It's one of the marked ones.
Yeah.
I've already seen 02, so it's probably 03 or
04 was on 2 Lima 64. I was at Brayford, so didn't get that on film because I was walking down. But it is 222 101.
101.
222 101. 220 minutes.
Go back to the main line, even though it can't, because there's works between Bedford and Leicester. So you'll see a lot of these in today's video. 222 101 from Leicester.
And that's now gone off the screen.
Here's a box, Sasha 153. This is the arrival of the 1330 Eastman's train service to Peterborough from Newark Northgate. This will call at Metheringham, Ruskington, Sleaford, Spalding and Peterborough. And turning round here, 153 311 from behind, and in front is 14022 on the 1326 Northern Railway service to Sheffield. Which will call at Saxelby, Gainsborough, Lee Road, Retford, Worksop, Shire, Kippen Park, Kippen Bridge, Woodhouse, Dial and Sheffield. 14022 again.
He waved.
Away from the driver, thank you very much. 142 to Sheffield, and now for a commercial break. We have returned. Over there's a 153 from Doncaster. Here comes an oil train.
He said I'll be here for 1:45 to 2. We're still waiting now.
This oil train will be heading to Humber.
Petroleum. Ah, right, yeah.
Well, it's technically
It
oil
will take the
slash
points. Listen
petrol.
out for the noise. It should take the points.
Even though it really shouldn't really take the points, but apparently it is taking the points. He's going slow enough. Yeah, he's taking the points. With 66120.
Anakin 3. Anakin 3.
How many tons is this?
Quite a bloody lot. 800.
Shouldn't be that much room.
This is 800 apparently.
Well, there's 8, there's 9,
No.
there's 10,
No, we've got not.
Scunthorpe's behind it.
11,
Scunthorpe's
12,
according to the loop
13
now.
on the points, 14, there's 15, 16, 17, there is 18, there's 19, there's too many, so I'm not going to bother counting.
Past the signal. This is all for the ages. Good yet? No. Yeah. I don't know when I got the last game.
This is like a short, this is like a short American freight train. 66120 to Humber. I swear that was
Please be
the
aware
size.
you are waiting for another train. You
I'm
are
pretty
waiting
sure that's
for another train.
size of a small American freight train.
That's the courser there. I think Joe's parked there because it's parked at crossing. Except you can't do that. Except you can't park.
Stop waving.
Hashtag pedestrian zone.
Stop waving, child. Stop waving, child.
Don't.
Don't bother waving.
The old pension code's behind this barrier.
Yeah, no,
Is the 1403 Northern Rail service from, well, Northern Railways now.
Railway says from Scunthorpe.
Service from Scunthorpe, 1219.
142.
Yes.
69.
Is it number 70?
It could be something worse, it could be 69.
142.
It's 142. 18. Oh, 18. 142, 18 from Scunthorpe.
Once that train is
Doubt
in
it,
the
I didn't
platform,
see
these
him.
barriers should be raising.
He's going into 4A. And now we assume we see the wild Joe Thorpe in his natural habitat.
Is he going to stop at the red light?
Where is he going?
Joe Thorpe failed and passed a red light.
Lol.
Thank you for getting a picture of that. Yes, I saw him pass that. And only now he's just started indicating.
Bruh.
I wouldn't start driving straight away myself.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
He got 2
Next night is 1410. Eastman's train service to Saxby, Gainsborough, Road and Doncaster. From Peterborough. Technically from Peterborough, it terminated from Peterborough.
98.
156498. Five, 6, 4, 9, 8 to Doncaster.
And now for something completely different.
Oh, no. She's coming along.
Shotgun and the front pass. I said shotgun.
What do you think he's got a bag of stuff for? Is he going to a jumble sale?
No, it's not food, it's drinks, it's cola and Fanta.
It's colour and Fanta. Hello. What do you want?
Just a random bit for the video.
Hello.
And a Yoda lamb. I stole it off of Lincoln.
It'd be shame if someone went bang! Oh.
Oh god.
And now for something completely different.
I'm all clear for the train at present. This train is ready to
156403 is about to leave Collingham Station onto Lincoln Central. Once again, just missed the meridian.
1452 train.
That is the 1452 to Lincoln. That'll be to Lima 71 then.
Yes.
I think the Leicester trains actually meet here then.
Let's do.
156403 to Lincoln Central.
That's the train.
And this is Collingham. Arriving in now, the 1502 Eastman's train service to Newark Northgate only from Lincoln Central. Should stop up there. If it doesn't, then there will be issues. This crossing. I don't know why the crossing is not going off yet. Or whatever. Oh, it's 2 coaches. This train is formed of 2 coaches, with 153 319 on the front. And I'll see you when it departs. Okay, the 1502 Eastman's train service from Grimsby down to Newark is now leaving. You drive into Newark at 1511. This is its only stop between here and, well, between Lincoln and Newark. (153 319) and 153 313 to Newark. They are walking across the level crossing. Filmception. You are live on Shane's YouTube channel, please do not swear. We have moved slightly up the line to Cross Lane, and it has American style bells. Just gonna point something out there, somewhere.
Oh, step over here, you'll see it better.
There?
A chunk of the wood is completely
Yes,
gone.
oh sure.
Over here.
And if people are complaining about this, saying, oh, they need to make this crossing more
It's starting to run out.
roadworthy, well, I'm going to play a certain clip, and it'll probably make sense. If you have a problem with this crossing,
Then maybe you shouldn't be living here!
just about to come by Cross Lane will be the, well, Collingham's 1538 Eastman's train service from Newark Northgate to Peterborough. Ooh. Cheers. 153 313. Ooh. The winds. 153 319 to Peterborough by Lincoln Central.
Hunt!
The next stop, what? The next train, we have moved up the line again to Collingham / Swinderby Road level crossing. And here is 156 returning on the 1544 Eastman's train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester. Calling at Newark Castle, Nottingham, Beeston. 3 coaches. 156 has picked up a 153 somewhere. Hey! And 153 374 from out of nowhere. We have now moved to one of my personal favourite train spotting locations on the thingy, on the Castle Line. They've also put in new walkway ramps here at Swinderby, and like I said, this is one of my favourite train spotting locations on the Castle Line. So let's see what'll be here, if that makes sense. Yes, here comes the final train of the day, a Meridian, on the 1604 Eastman's train service from Leicester to Lincoln. Yeah, we should get them more often rather than just once a day on the St Pancras.
Oh, Pancreas. They're all only doing today due to the work.
Yeah.
How many Meridians are they running on the line today?
Don't know. I know there was 2 Loomis. This will be 104. Should be.
Yeah. Now approaching platform number 2.
I think
at
I've seen
Swinderby
2.
Will be your 1604 Collingham and 73 train service from Leicester to Lincoln.
Yeah, this will be 222 104. It should be, and we'll see if it fits on the station.
It won't.
It definitely wouldn't. On its way back, it definitely won't fit on there. It's 5, I think. No, it's 4.
No, it's 104.
Yeah, 104 again.
If it was a double, if it was 5, it would have O something. Between 10.
Hang on, he could actually fit on here.
Oh, look how big the Lincoln sign is. It's usually not in uppercase letters.
Oh, he nearly fits. He nearly fits.
The rear one carriage on the train.
Okay, as this Meridian's leaving, I'd like to thank you all very much for watching. It is greatly appreciated. Thanks to Fabe Trains, Jothel and Adam for joining me today. And here's 222-104 leaving for Lincoln Central. And until the next time, from me, it's goodbye. But for now, here's a Meridian. Two 104 to Lincoln Central. And I'll see you all next time.